welcome back to Hair Aesthetics. Welcome back my aesthetic queens. Today, you guys, it has been an up and down day, like literally. So, I'm gonna be doing a video, so please don't mind me if I look terrible right now because I just recently found out I can't pay my rent because my money orders are ruined and the serial numbers and everything is like off, and I am like devastated right now. So with that being said, I'm gonna push through this video and I'm gonna try to give you guys the best enjoyment. Hopefully my expressions does not weigh how I feel right now, so bear with me. So today, you guys, we're going to be doing a very simple hairstyle, but it's going to be cute. And we have Victoria. And, yeah. So it's going to be, I believe you guys seen, like, kind of like, it's going to be a spinoff of, like, the first French braid I did on her. So, yeah. It's kind of going to be a spinoff of that, really. So she has some bangs that I layered in a previous video, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave some of that out in the front. So, I mean, whatever hangs out in the front is what it will be. So we're gonna start by taking, it's gonna be in 3 layers. So we're gonna start by taking some hair, and this is like, it's super cute depending on how you wear it and how you style it on yourself. So you don't need any combs. The only thing you will need is 3 rubber bands for this. So you can use your fingers definitely to pull that hair back like you would want it. Do what's comfortable for you. So, like I said, we're doing 3 type of braids, really. And you can start as high or as low you're wanting to. I'm kind of starting like in the middle of the head. I think I'm gonna go a little higher actually. So what I'm going to do is just drag my fingers along her hair. And now it does not have to be perfect in any way, shape, or form. Just do what works for you. So bringing it up just a little, like so. Getting those wild hairs down. So taking the 3 like so. And then we're going to just braid like so. You can definitely use a comb if you want to make it more neater for yourself, depending on what you want. You can either do it in a 2 or a 3-part braid, however you want to do it. It's fairly simple, fairly easy. I mean, a comb would make it a lot neater, but you could just, brush it and put some pins in it afterwards. So I've been working all day on a new intro. I'm not doing an outro this time. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this intro. Let me know in the comment section what you think and about. I don't know if I want to make it a permanent thumbnail yet, because I want to be able to have diversity, really. So maybe I'll just do a different thumbnail every day. As of right now, it's the thumbnail I like, and that's the one I'm gonna go with. So you want to put a rubber band on the end of that braid. Just like that. And I think I'm going to do this in a 2, yeah. Because I started fairly low, so I'm just going to do it in a 2-part braid. So what I'm going to do is separate this hair and tuck that braid underneath, like parting the hair and putting the braid in between that, okay? You guys will see why, okay? So taking it into 3 sections, okay? So then you want to go ahead and braid over that braid. And then we're only going to braid the bottom halfway. We're going to go ahead and put our rubber band on it. Like so. So then we're gonna take our 3rd rubber band, and then we're gonna secure the whole thing together. So then probably just take your fingers and try to comb it like so. The little front bangs will hang like so. And then you're left with this. I know it doesn't look as neat or as pretty. You want to just take it, kind of loosen it up a little bit. Loosen up that braid just a little bit. Like so. You can go ahead and put any decorative bobby pins or pearl bobby pins, anything like that in it. You can leave it down like this, and we've hit the braid and behind it with that secured rubber band. So you can take this part, curl it if you want. You can leave it down like that if you want. I just think this hairstyle is really pretty, especially like it's a real fast hairstyle. You can even, let me lift her up a little bit. You can even probably take this and take another rubber band or something and kind of like tuck it under if you want to. Use a bow, whatever the fact is. If you're doing it on a child, a bow would definitely look cute. Even right here on the rubber band, right here. This is great for a quick hairstyle to keep your hair out of the way. If you're doing household chores, things like that, whatever working, this is a cute little hairstyle to do. And here is the front. Don't mind the little frizz right there. But this is how it looks from the sides. And it's super cute. You can even kind of drape the bangs, kind of pin it back. However, don't have to be just like that. You can curl them even if you want to. It depends on how you're dressing it or you're getting dressed during the day. But this is a really cute hairstyle tour, and I do hope you guys enjoy. I need to go figure stuff out. And until next time, my aesthetic queens, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.